Learn more at discover.com/yes. 2021 Nielsen Report. Limitations apply.
According to the National Institutes of Health, 30% of hospital admissions in older adults are drug-related, like taking meds at the wrong time. Hero Health simplifies medication management. The smart device stores up to 90 days worth of up to 10 different pills. It dispenses them at the push of a button. Try Hero risk-free for 30 days and get free contactless delivery. Just call 800-420-7550. That's 800-420-7550. 800-420-7550. Hero, medication managed.
Today on Hey Culligan, better water, better food. Here's Gary in Chicago.
Hey, Culligan, my water smells like a swimming pool, and my hot dog tastes like one.
Sounds like your water comes with a little chlorine.
Chlorine!
You know, you could get a great for cooking water, delicious for drinking water, Culligan reverse osmosis system.
Yeah, I'll take one of those and 2-3 more hot dogs.
No can do on the dog scare, but one Culligan reverse osmosis system already on the way. Let us help you out with a free in-home water test with a local Culligan water expert at Culligan.com.
Yikes! Ew, what is that? Looks like you stepped in something nasty. Woo-hoo! You know, now that everyone knows how essential parks and outdoor recreation are to a healthy lifestyle, I wish folks would take better care of them. I know what you mean. If everybody took their trash with them and picked up after the dog and didn't drive on the grass, can you imagine how great that would be? I can see it now, running barefoot through the grass.
All that is a 2-barrel, 350, 250 horse motor.
If everybody did their part, just
all you need.
Healthier everyone and their partner
That is
remain.
all you need.
Yes, it's something that